Wow, okay, right on now, y'all. What?
Have all of it. Have all of it. Say bye to Agnes. Boom, boom, boom. More eating. Grab your drinks, grab your treats. Boom, boom, boom. Say hi to Agnes. Welcome to my Mukbang Madness. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, More Eats. It's your girl, Agnes. Welcome back into our channel, guys. And today, we are having crab in a bag, baby. Crab in a bag. From one of my favorite places. It is called the Mad Claw out here in the Inland Empire, Rancho Cucamonga, California. It's the Mad Claw. I love them. And so, yeah, I shouted them out. I'm not getting sponsored. But, yes, I shouted them out. And I will also be having my cham sauce, of course. I'm never going to have another mukbang without this sauce. Let me pour her up. I got some lime, some extra sauce over here, just in case I ain't got enough. And today I'm having cran grape. Cran grape. Let me go ahead and pour this out. And also today, y'all, we are talking about who won my Hot Mama Pickle race. Who won the Hot Mama Pickle race? We are talking about that. So we are going to get into this and into that. So, yes. As you guys know, I have my Hot Mama Pickle race going on until October 25th. I have everybody that participated in my handy dandy notebook. Don't forget to go get your handy dandy notebooks from Shay's World. I'll put the link down below. But I do have the people that participated in my handy dandy notebook. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 channels. 11 channels participated in a Hot Mama Pickle race. I appreciate all 11 of y'all channels. I appreciate everybody that shared out, everybody that was involved in the race. How about it? Yeah. So everybody that participated in the Hot Mama Pickle race, I truly, truly, truly appreciate y'all. I had another one with 2 times spicy devil egg challenge. Quite a few people participated in that too. And I do appreciate each and every one of y'all for doing that. I know it'd be hard to keep up with all these challenges. I have a time keeping up with all of them too. So, everybody that did the 2 times spicy devil egg challenge, I appreciate you. And you still have time to do it. I mean, you can keep these challenges going on forever. You know? Hopefully, a few people that didn't do the 2 times spicy challenge will, 2 times spicy devil egg challenge will participate in that. It's a really good challenge, y'all. I know y'all love devil eggs. I do. I really do. Oh, I did it. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna dump that in that cham. Y'all, that cham sauce, y'all. I mean, chum. I keep saying cham. Okay, look. The bottle say cham. cham, but it's really pronounced chum sauce. It's like sweet, celery. This is the extra spicy. I'll put the link down below. Oh my gosh. Yeah. The chum sauce is fire. Yire. It's too good. I can bring a little thing for my... Got a little bit more sauce in here. Just in case, like, I want to bust that potato in half. Have some. That sounds good. If this is y'all first time here, please like, subscribe, hit that bell. Tell them when you're here, Oh yeah, this is me on a shirt with Tupac. Can y'all see it? Me, Tupac, and Spice One. That is me in the middle. Y'all might have seen that picture floating around on the internet somewhere. That's your girl, Keish. Young 17-year-old Keish, y'all. Hey. All right. Y'all, I do want to appreciate everybody that did the challenge. I'm gonna shout y'all out. Some of the people, I'm gonna shout out everybody that did it. I'm gonna put everybody's channel below so y'all can connect with them. Me, Shelly B, Big Belly Bob, Rodney and Jonelle, Celos Eats, Marquise Hilson, Rich Soul, Walk With Me Tiffany, DCNC, I think it's DCNC family, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm going to put all the names down below. Rome's Eating and Conversation. Me and Miss Jones and TMV Nation. Shout out to all the amazing channels that took part of the Hot Mama Pickle race. All you had to do was buy a Hot Mama Pickle or a Hot Pickle, period. And the fastest person to eat the pickle is the winner. Simple as that. I have first place and a runner-up. Okay? First place and a runner-up, okay? I also have a challenge going on with Aunt Maddie TV. It's 3, you have to get 3 snow crab clusters and crack them and eat them as fast as you can. It's called the crab leg versus race. Snow crab versus race. So basically, You crack them your crab legs the fastest. Whoever cracked their crab legs open the fastest. Hey. They are the winner. Crack them open and eat them. You have to eat every crab leg. Ooh, look at that. Let me put a little lime shower on it. Hey. So, 3 crab leg clusters. Whoever eat them the fastest. Well, so far, only me and Aunt Maddie TV did the challenge. I challenged a few people to do it. Nobody's did it yet. So, we'll see if it catch on. Sometimes the challenges catch on, sometimes they don't. Okay? So, I'm going to tell y'all who won. Matter of fact, I'm going to tell y'all who came in last first. Okay, who came in last? Rome's Eating in Conversation. Had that 6 minute and 37 pickle eat time. Rome's Eating Conversation. It was one hot pickle. One hot pickle. Six minutes and 37 seconds was the biggest time. Okay? 6 minutes. The person that came in after that, oh no, I'm lying. The biggest time was Tawana and TMV Nation took 8 minutes and 47 seconds. I'm sorry, Rome's Eating in Conversation. My bad. TMV Nation, Tawana, 8 minutes and 47 seconds. Lil Vaughn tapped out at 4:51 though. So, you know. Vaughn, thank you for trying, nephew. So, the person that actually won was Rodney and Jonelle. Boom, 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 with that 45-second pickle eating. Gobbling up the pickle though. Gobbled the pickle up. Jonelle did it. Gobbled the pickle up in 40. Sis. Damn, did you practice? 45 seconds, y'all. I'm going to post the videos down below. 45 seconds. Whoa. That was the first place winner. 45 seconds. And then the second place went to DCNC. Okay. I don't know which sister was it. It was 2 sisters. One did it in 59 seconds and one did it in 2.49 seconds. The sister that did it in 59 seconds was the winner. DCNC, the sister that did it in 59 seconds, 1 second runner-up. Y'all, I thought I was doing a good job. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Jonelle gobbled that pickle up in 40. A hot pickle at that. What? 45 seconds. DCNC with the 59 seconds. What? And then after that, the person that came in after that was CeeLo's Eats, did 1 minute and 7. Big Belly Bob did 1 minute and 8. Walk With Me Tiffany did 2 minutes and... No, me and Mrs. Jones did it at 1 minute and 44. Walk With Me Tiffany did it 2:09. Me, Shelly B did it in 2:49. Marquise Hilson, 1 minute 51 seconds, y'all. I'm telling you, But that 45 seconds, Jonelle. 45 seconds, sis. Boom, boom, boom. You won. Jonelle and DCNC, the sister that ate it in 59 seconds. Y'all need to hit me up. Cash at me. I mean, I'm cash at me. I'm cash apping y'all. And I need y'all to hit me up in the comments below or on my IG, which is MOORE_EATZZ, More Eats. And I'm going to send y'all prize. For real, 45 seconds, Jonelle. I'm going to keep it PG on this thing. Oh, man, somebody called my phone. I thought I had my phone on Do Not Disturb. Oh, my gosh. But, yeah. Thank you to everybody that participated. In the Hot Mama Pickle race. It was fun watching everybody get, you know, some people hadn't had hot pickles in years. And some people love hot pickles like me. So I really do appreciate everybody that decided to partake in the challenge. I do try to keep up with everybody's challenge. I'm sorry if it take a little longer for me to post some challenges sometimes, but you know, life sometimes just gets ahead of you. And you really don't have time to post everything, you know. And I do have food for challenges that I haven't even posted yet. And I have to get that done. And I appreciate y'all. Don't count me out on the challenges, y'all. Just take your girl a little time. I'm working at 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Well, you know, that's hypothetically speaking, but Monday through Friday. And I try to get them done, y'all. Trust me, I try to get them all done. And I have some that I have not even posted yet that I need to. Because I try to do my mukbang ones first. Because I try to keep my channel. I'm trying to keep it focused, y'all. I'm all over the place sometimes. I want to do a reaction. I want to do a mukbang. You know, sometimes I'll be all over the place, but I really do want to be involved in these challenges, so they fun. And you meet so many new family members. And I love my YouTube family. You probably are like no other. And when I say the loyalty is real, it's because we all in the same struggle. Trying to get popping out here in the YouTube street. So we kind of understand what we're going through. And I think that's what's awesome about my YouTube family. Because you guys really understand what your girl going through. And I am full. I'm greedy today. I feel like I got stuff everywhere. I'm greedy. And I want to thank everybody that participated in my Hot Mama Pickle race. Me, Shelly B, Big Belly Bob, Roddy and Jonelle, Silos Eats, Marquise Hilson, Rich Soil, Walk With Me Tiffany, DCNC, Rome's Eating and Conversation, me and Mrs. Jones, TMV Nation. Also, I want a big congratulations to Roddy and Jonelle and DCNC for winning. Hey, don't forget to hit me below with y'all cash apps. If you would like cash app or you would like a Amazon gift card, y'all best to let me know. I got you, and I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. Hit that bell. Boom, boom, boom. Say bye to Agnes. Thanks for coming to my mukbang madness.